Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for my Act software training. Now, regardless of how you got here, whether you found me online or you were referred to me by a fellow Act certified consultant, I really appreciate the fact that you're here embarking on my training. I've been an ACT teacher and trainer for more than 20 years, and I truly believe in the software. And when I say that because I think ACT can be great for your business. I think ACT can be a great tool for your business, keeping you organized, keeping you on top of your prospects and your customers. But what my experience has been is that if you're here, there's probably about an 80% chance that you've been a long time ACT user, because there's a lot of people that have been using this software for a very long time. It's gone through different iterations and versions, and it keeps changing. It's getting better. And really in the last few years, it's evolved into some different options that are really pretty interesting. Now, for some of you in the long-time ACT community, all of a sudden ACT has changed slightly, where now instead of just paying for ACT one time and owning it forever, now ACT offers a subscription model, and it's really moving away a little bit from the standard one-time payment, you own it. And some of you I know don't really like that fact, but you know what? I want you to think about this. ACT as a company, they're just a company trying to make a living. They have employees, and they're trying to keep their software up to date, and they feel the best way to do that for themselves and for their users is to make sure that as ACT evolves, as technology evolves, the software will move along with it. And the best way they can do that to keep it viable and keep it working for you is to offer a subscription model. Now, people sometimes say, I don't want to pay a subscription, I don't like that. But you know what? Respectfully, my feeling is this. You pay for your cell service. You pay for your cable television. You pay for so many things. And although they might not call it a subscription, it is my belief in reality is that is what it is. So I'm going to ask you to wrap your mind around the idea that, yeah, maybe it's going to change a little bit. Maybe the software and the way you pay for it is going to change a little bit. But that's okay. Things change, things evolve, and you'll learn to grow with it. And my goal is to make sure that even if you pay for it as a subscription service, it more than pays for itself. Because frankly speaking, if you're not using ACT in such a way that you can make it pay for itself, well, you know what? My experience has been that's why you should be here, and that's why I hope you learn some things, because I want to make sure the cost is not even an issue for you. So 80% of the people here are mostly long-time users, and I think the other 20% of the people are either employees at companies that have come in, they've used ACT, and they're trying to learn how to use ACT, or maybe you're brand new to ACT, and you just got to get started. Either way, I want to thank you for being here. My goal is to make this the best ACT training available to ACT software users. Thank you so very much. Please enjoy, and please tell your friends and business associates about ACT Clever. Thank you.